This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and getting into recovery. Backup files, plug in a USB recovery drive, and sign in as an administrator. Once done, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Recovery. Make sure to choose Restart Now under Advanced Startup if you need boot options. If Windows won't start, boot from a created USB recovery drive and select Repair Your Computer. This moves you into the environment where official system recovery options live. You now use the Recovery toolbox. Choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Pick Startup Repair to fix boot issues automatically, or System Restore to roll back to a restore point. If you created a system image, use System Image Recovery to restore the exact system state. This is faster for full failures. Make sure to run command prompt when manual fixes are required. Use bootrex/fixember, bootrex/fixboot, bootrex/rebuild, and sfc/scano to repair corrupted files and boot records when automatic tools fail. You finish by choosing Reset this PC when repairs fail, decide Keep my files versus Remove everything, then follow on-screen prompts to reinstall Windows. This resolves most software problems. Once the OS is back, update Windows and drivers, reinstall apps, and verify data integrity. If issues persist, run chkdsk to check disk health, restore from your external backup or system image, and consider hardware diagnostics. One key tip: if reset stalls, disconnect peripherals. Faulty devices often
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.